And well, Mindoro opting to get si Ino Comboy off the bench and nailing that game-winning free to give that road victory by Quezon against Nueva Ecija. As we see Marion Magat inside, who will score, and a foul whistled against the Huskers. How to shoot that free ball as evidenced by this three-point shot by the birthday boy, Gab Banal.
Yeah, that guy, he loves to shoot from the outside. You experience some sort of a resurgence in terms of playing time in this latter half of the season. I think Coach Eric Gonzalez and his coaching staff have recognized.
At the last second, dishing it out to Bam Bam Gamalinda, stepping back and knocks down that long two-pointer.
Well-challenged shot, but
Cruz in attendance, supporting her. Mindoro Tamaraos as Bam Bam Gamalinda, this time from downtown. 5 straight points.
Out, so this guy has really mastered hard work through the years. Nung bata daw sila, 2-on-2 palagi. Juan and Ael, tapos Mix and Gab. Sineseryoso daw talaga ni Gab.
Salamat, Mika. And well, if you look back at the journey of Gab Banal, as we see Will Gozo knock down that jumper. Although naging maganda rin yung stint niya doon, but hindi siya heralded like most of his peers. Well, more on that later on because his teammates certainly have picked up.
Take somebody deeply rooted in MPBL basketball to say, as you see, wow, what a pass, what a play. Diego Dario to Simon sa diagonally.
That shot, Abundo will give it up to Will Gozum, who will lay it in.
Using his athleticism there.
To Jeco Bangkale. Open free from Ethan Galang is good. And nice dribble penetration. Teams, 7 ranked teams rather, sila yung dikit-dikit doon. As we see Topeng Lagrama pick the pocket of Jeco Bangkale and score on the other side.
Yeah, I think it's the more dynamic passing and the scoring, of course, has been easier para sa kanila.
Sarao gets the basket and a bonus free throw. Topeng, siyang titira galing sa labas. Pocket from Topeng Lagrama.
Topeng Lagrama is...
And Bienes, Sandagon getting the stop. Bounce pass, Tamsi. Set up by LJ Gonzalez for the layup.
Working here at the start of the second quarter for Quezon.
7-point lead. Bangkale hops into the lane and scores with a layup of his own. 28-21, fading away and swishing in that jumper is Axel Inigo, much to the delight of his proud father.
I think they missed a game ng kanilang mga anak.
Yeah.
Kahit gaano kalayo pa yan.
Gab Banal strokes it in, second free from the former MVP. Both teams hitting frees. Now make it 4 for Mindoro. 4 out of 13 after Sedorifa back by beating Jensen. And now another 3-point shooting team on the other side, Quezon. Sedorifa with back-to-back frees.
Well, that was a solid screen. Tama ka dyan. That's just the fruit of the hard work that he's put in. Nasabi na nga ni Mika sa report niya kanina, according to one that...
Piero comes away with it. Diego skips it to Gab. What a pass inside. Laser-like pass, setting up Joshua Yero underneath. Now on a 10-0 run. Increasing their lead to 12. Now down back to 10 after that basket by RJ Ramirez. And he has a bonus free throw coming up. Quick double by Gab. It frees up Bam Bam Gamalinda, who makes the defense pay with a free.
This is where, and that was Gamalinda earlier for Mindoro.
Diego tries to answer, and he does. Lead back up to 10 after that triple. Full of important wins, particularly earlier in the season against Zamboanga and now against Jensen, as we see Jason Opiso though. Diego Dario to Gab Banal. Off the bounce, Gab Banal all the way for 2.
Excellent execution there.
7.5 to go here in the third period. Ken Bono Backing down, JP Sarao. Ken Bono able to will that one through.
It just makes things so class.
We go to Ken Bono again at the post. Isolated against JP Sarao. It's dinner time for Ken Bono.
Kakain na.
It was a tough look. Gab Banal for free. Book it.
That is just too much space. Sedoripa, he should know.
Pilas player.
Yeah, he will now be representing Ateneo, transferring from Mapua. Quezon starting to get themselves going inside or beyond the three-point line sa laro na to.
Bangkale able to slither down the lane and score though. 55-42. JP Sarao, lista mo na.
Once again,
Al fires the pass to Al Tamsi. Pumalog palabas, but Sarao there to clean it up. And just like that, Quezon extending their lead to, just going back, Javi. Minsan, it's tough to figure out what kind of Mindoro Tamaraw squad we'll be seeing in a game-to-game basis.
slower here in reacting to those loose balls.
That's from way beyond the arc from Topeng Lagrama. The 2-minute mark of the third period. Ball tapped. Almost another turnover against Mindoro. Axel Inigo this time from the left corner.
I think it was a poor decision for Arabianes. Just absolutely great defense, but good thing they get the ball back and Inigo gets to hit the three.
Sa ilalim, crisp passing from the Huskers. Will Gozom with a reverse.
Ayan ang
Jason Opiso, the kick pass out to Tamsi. Oh, big boy rebound by Jason Opiso.
everybody.
Topeng Lagrama peeks at the clock. It reads 7 seconds. Lagrama lines it up, puts it in from downtown.
It still really amazes me how Topeng Lagrama has not been falling for them as much as in the first half, has also made it hard for Mindoro here in the second half, while Quezon up just 7 out of 31 for Mindoro from beyond the arc in this game.
And now a 30-point bubble.
Have to rely on should be your defense, because again, I am still really leaning on the fact that if you play good, you score the ball better with higher percentage looks, which enables you to have the confidence to now knock down the shot.
From the Huskers, Lagrama nailing another free, has a total of 14 points. Gamalinda with 13. Lone guy in double figures in their respective divisions.
Yeah, and because of their depleted roster, they would want themselves positioned in the top 6 para naman may panahon pa sila na.
Vince Magbuhos, what a pass inside. Jared Sevilla scores. Stolen away by Diego Bangkale. Left it short. Perez inside. And he has had a couple of baskets, the former Diliman College player. Lagrama's pass broken up by Enoch Homboy. Ashon Andrews, who will join the slam dunk contest if I'm not mistaken.
He will, yes.
Almost lost it. Lagrama, inside pass, and Joshua Riero will score.
Dahil maraming mga homegrown players na naman sa liga na to. Or as we see Andrews get a nifty Euro going to the bucket.
Funded in a very impressive way after that. Those pair of wins against Nueva Ecija San Juan. Al Tamsi putting the cherry on top with that free. 87-62 Quezon, showing us that they are also a team to be reckoned with in the postseason. So if you're Quezon and the rest of the field in the South, you guys have a lot to prove going up against the top teams in the North, as we see Diego Bangkale knocking down another three. Have a good shot of doing so here this season.
And it's not just Robin Ronyo. As you see that slam, 2 hands there para kay Perez.
It managed to trim the gap to a more respectable margin thanks to this guy, Diego Bangkale, with 16 points. But the Quezon Huskers exerting their might, grabbing their 5th straight victory. And 88-72, our final score. Quezon beating Mindoro here.